Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing you a really simple recipe made famous by TikTok. If you've been on the internet lately, you've seen this recipe, and it's so simple, that's probably why it blew up on TikTok. But now I'm talking about the baked feta pasta that's going around the internet right now. So let's go ahead and make it. For this, we got some cherry tomatoes, we got feta cheese, we got some black pepper, some salt, we have some medium olives, we have some basil, some parsley, some red crushed pepper, some wet garlic, some olive oil, and some rotini noodles. You can use your favorite type of pasta noodle if you'd like. A rotini or a panini probably would be best though. Just keep that in mind. But that being said, let's get started. Alright y'all, so we have our casserole dish here. So we have a pound of our feta cheese. And then in weight we have 2 pints of our cherry tomatoes. Just go ahead, dump those in. We have 1 can of drained black olives. Now we're just going to go ahead, sprinkle on a light coating of basil. Use as much basil as you like. Now we'll do a light to medium coating of parsley. Do a quick sprinkle of red pepper flake, make it as spicy or as not spicy as you would like. Then we're going to take a dash of black pepper and just a sprinkle of salt. So easy, I didn't even give you measurements. How's that? And we're going to take a couple tablespoons of garlic. I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons of garlic, just kind of sprinkle that around. And now we're just going to take our olive oil. And about a cup of olive oil, a cup or so, spread that around the cheese, the tomatoes, and the olives and everything. And now we're going to throw this in the oven for about 40 minutes or until these tomatoes have really started to cook. When the tomatoes pop their skins, it's ready to go. It'll be about 40 minutes. We have our oven set at 375. And then the last 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and cook our pasta. Just go ahead, cook that according to directions that are on the box. And then we'll also be saving roughly a cup of our pasta water as well. But once our noodles are done and this is out of the oven, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, it's been 40 to 50 minutes, not quite sure exactly how long. Our cheese is melted, our tomatoes are well cooked, our olives are cooked, our garlic is cooked, and it is a bit juicy, so we might be good on that. Now we're just going to go ahead so we need to mash our tomatoes up, get our cheese well incorporated. Now we got our pasta drained. Go ahead and dump that in. Alright, so I saved some of the pasta water in case it wasn't enough moisture in here. But ours seems to have plenty of moisture, but if you wanted a little more liquidy, go ahead and just gradually add some pasta water in until you get the consistency we want, that you're looking for. It's better to have it and not need it than to not have it and definitely need it. But we got lucky, there was a lot of moisture, it looks like, in our tomatoes. And I would assume some came out of the olives as well. Now we got this mixed up. All we got left to do is plate it up, serve it to friends, family, relatives. But if you've been seeing this on TikTok or the internet anywhere and you wanted to make this, here is my recipe for it. If you like it, go ahead, leave a like down below. If there's anything you want to see on this channel in the future, leave a comment below. Smash that subscribe button, and until next time, keep on cooking on.